Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to add Telegram group members. So you have to just simply open the Telegram app on the Android device or iOS. So when it's open, you have to click to the top left settings. So there is new group if you have no group. So I will already make the group. So I will open the group and there is you have to click to the information and there is the add members. So here you can add members in the group for more persons. So I will randomly add from there in my contacts. So I will 2 persons add in this group and I will click to this green tick button. So add 3 members. So I will click to add. So you can see it will be added the members in group. This is how to add group add member. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.